Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 148. Here we have the arm with our PSB 147 already installed and the PSB 148 ready to go. Make sure you clean out the housing thoroughly before installing the new bushings. Place our PSB silicone lubricant on the inner part of the housing, and then you can just pop in the two sides of the bushing by hand. Before installing the sleeve, make sure to place lubricant on the inner part of the bushings as well. To install the sleeve, you can either use a rubber mallet or otherwise a bench vise as you see here. And there you have our installed PSB 148. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.